I'm Inji.
I am Togi. Today video is a mukbang.
And we are eat the yellow food and green food. I'm yellow.
I am green. Let's eat. Okay, first I wanna eat crunchy.
My friend is banana.
My crunchy is not an almond. Yes, it is almond.
I like the banana.
It tastes like a nut, only nut. It tastes like a nut.
And very sweet. Okay, next. I wanna eat this.
I wanna eat
Chocolate.
chocolate. Chocolate. Chocolate.
What is this? Oh, it's a game and a puzzle. Oh.
Chocolate. It tastes like a banana. Chocolate banana. And sweet. I like it.
Me too.
Okay, I'm choosing Pororo, milk, chocolate, straw.
My preference is strawberry.
It's very cold.
Yeah.
Cold like the ice. It tastes like a Mongolia traditional food art. Oh, okay, your choices. Turn.
I'm thirsty. I wanna drink orange peach juice.
I'm drinking apple, lime, and cactus. It's writing like
Oh my
cactus.
gosh.
Or maybe
I
I'm
can
reading a
open it. Daddy.
It's always happening. Daddy, help me. Thank you, Daddy, so much.
Cheers.
Cheers. It tastes like a sour raisin candy. Yeah. Okay, my choice is this. There isn't sour candy. My isn't candy is a snake.
Food candies. Then
I like this candy. So good. And little bit sour. All kids, I think all kids like this candy. This
Yes.
candy. My sister.
this is
likes this.
frog.
What?
Frog.
Really? I said, raisin frog.
It's sour.
Huh? This is a sour and so squishy. So,
Okay. Next. This is a banana. The banana.
I am the onion ring chips. I love onion rings. Because
I like this banana.
Sister, I can open it. Did you help me?
Yeah.
Let's open it. It's too hard.
No.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Sister. Sister. Cheers. Cheers. I wanna taste it. Okay. The sister's is
Banana.
tastes like a banana shape.
Very delicious.
And this is a much little spicy.
Okay. Here.
Okay, I wanna eat a sandwich basket.
Fruit latte. I don't know. This.
This cookies in is a chocolate and taste chocolate and peanut butter.
This is. Very sweet.
Okay. Now I wanna eat apple pudding.
Banana.
show. This is like an apple. Apple. Oh, this is a low sugar. 100% apple and carrot. I like this.
Yes. Me too.
Okay.
This is not taste the banana.
Okay. Our last. Okay. No. Our last of second food is
Milk.
milk. The sister's milk is
Banana.
my milk is
Milk.
milk. Only a milk. Where is my straw? Where is my straw?
So,
I think there's straw. But it's okay. I don't know. Oh. I need a scissors.
so yummy. This is so yummy. And this is tasty. Banana.
Bedroom.
Where are you? Yummy.
Because it's a bit.
Okay, next. This
Our last.
is a lemon and lemon. So correct.
Oh, lemon chocolate. Lemon chocolate. It's so tiny.
Mm.
Green and yellow.
Yes.
Tastes like a
Green and yellow.
It tastes like a rainbow, but not like this rainbow. I don't how this chocolate. It's a tiny but very delicious.
Last is alpengold.
Alpengold chocolate.
I like the alpengold.
My chocolate is peanut.
My chocolate is peanut and I don't know this. Yes, I did it.
Alpengold chocolate is always yummy. Okay, thanks for watching our mukbang.
And please subscribe and like.
Bye. Wash your hand.
Stay home.